Hi guys. Oh my god, what is today's day? It's the 13th. Happy Vlogmas Day 13. I have yet to upload Vlogmas Day 12. Sorry. This down to 12. Yet to upload it. I have yet to edit it. I fell asleep super early last night and didn't edit. I have to do that. I'm probably gonna eat lunch first and then do it, but yeah. I think I'm gonna do my Bible thing really quick so I don't forget about it today because I was 4 days behind yesterday. Let's get started. Okay, but that was sounding like an idiot. It's not gonna make me sound like an idiot. I just didn't have anything else to, or not film, but I wasn't doing anything else today other than chilling at home. I just figured instead I'd give you guys a little chit chat. Oh my god, why do I look horrible? Cute. Okay, should I change the perspective? Rundown. I'm gonna give you a little rundown Rooney. Tomorrow I work all day, so that sucks, but I'll be working all day. The 15th I have a doctor's appointment, but also it's my last day. Like this week we're coming up on is my last week of school. And then the 16th is school as well. 17th I work all day. 18th is a Friday. I don't think I'm doing anything. No telling, to be honest. Nutella, no telling. I'm going to a family friend's house. I'm not sure if I'm gonna record because they know I do YouTube, but I don't know how they're gonna feel about having someone like throw a camera in their face. So like if I record, I'll record. If not, I'm not. And then the week of Christmas, so the 24th, 22nd, 23rd, and 24th, 25th is just random things that I'm doing. So like I may last minute shop. I don't have school and I don't work that week. So you guys get me for a whole week full of videos. And then let's see, for us, the 23rd, 24th, and 25th will be the most like poppin' days. Like the videos will be really, really like long for you guys. We have 12. Why didn't I just look at my countdown? We have 12 more days until Christmas. But or well, yeah, we have 12 more days until Christmas. But we have 12 more vlogs. So that's crazy. That's insane. I kind of want to do a gingerbread house. Should I do a gingerbread house? I'm about to call my friend Ashley. It's 9:18 right now. I'm about to edit this vlog really quick, and then I'm gonna call her and we're gonna watch this together. We gotta figure out which one we're doing, but. And I FaceTimed Bets today. Bets and I have a weekly FaceTime call on Sundays, so I FaceTimed Bets today. That's like our one-on-one time, so I'm not gonna like film that, but we did FaceTime for anyone that was curious, even though you're probably not. Why is my, oh my god, I apologize in advance. Forgot all about that sucker not being on. Anyways, yeah, that's all I have for you today. This vlog's probably not gonna be that fun. I'm sorry. It's not probably gonna be fun. It's probably not gonna be fun until like next week because next week I don't have school or work, so I'll be able to focus on YouTube. But yeah, if you guys have any videos that you guys want me to film, let me know. I hope you guys are ready for Book Talk Tuesday because I'm pretty excited about it. I've obviously already filmed it. I actually still have to edit it, so that's gonna be fun. But by the time you see this, it'll be tomorrow when you're seeing it, so I'll have to hurry up and edit it so you can see it. Anyways, yeah, I love you guys so much. I'm sorry this vlog sucked again. And I will see you guys for tomorrow, which will be Vlogmas Day. Oh my god, it'll be Vlogmas Day 14. Holy crap. Alright, I love you guys so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.